Welcome back to another episode of Rustic Restorations. Today we are working on the 1951 panel truck. First of all, we were kind of removing the doors there. The first driver's side door came off pretty easy, just a couple of bolts bolted right out. Then we started working on the other side, as you can see here, and it was a pain. For whatever reason, we could not get that joint out of there, so we just ended up leaving it in there for now. But as soon as we got that all sorted out, then we started working on the roof, just kind of grinding it all down and adding a couple more spot welds where it kind of needed it, and then grind them down just to get it all flush. This has been a massive project, but I'm really happy with the progress that we're making on this build. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.